Just go straight, bud. Oh, 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 yes! Alright, buddy. When you feel like you're gonna fall, lean the other way a little and keep pedaling. You can put your foot, keep going. You can put your foot down, it's okay. Sorry, Jen. He's been bugging me to do this. Go ahead and push yourself first and then pedal. There you go. There you go. Oh! You're getting it. You want more? Go ahead, bud. Oh, oh, there you go. Do it. Yeah, it being windy doesn't help any either. All right, buddy, take a minute. Just take a minute.